The loan signing system allowed me to save over $15,000 in a retirement account. I could not do that before. Within the first couple of months, I made the $10,000 per month club. Hi, my name is Iris. I'm from Laurel, Maryland, and I just want to give a quick testimonial about how the loan signings has helped me. First of all, it's helped me in reference to the issue I had with my fees. So within the first couple of months, I made the $10,000 per month club, which was amazing. And what I learned from that was that it gave me the confidence to charge my worth, what I feel I was worth. And so it also helped me to be able to talk to the signing companies and the title companies to let them know what my fee was going to be. It just helped me that way to have that confidence that I could charge what I was worth. And so I would say if anybody was on the fence, I would say to go ahead and sign up, because one of the things that a lot of notaries are missing is that education, so they'll feel confident, because without the knowledge, there's no confidence in doing what you need to do. So the loan signing system allowed me to get the knowledge that I needed. The other thing it helped me to do financially was to save over $15,000 in a retirement account. I could not do that before. So it allowed me to be able to do that, and also set some money aside so that when times were slow, I'm still able to be retired and still have some income coming in, or some money's coming in to carry me through those times when I just don't feel like doing a signing. But anyway, it has given me the confidence more than anything else to know what my worth is. And so if you're on the fence, I would say sign up, because it's going to give you that confidence that you need in order to be able to charge what you feel you're worth, and to be able to go out there and just do your signings. Let's go.